Shout out to the most inconsistent YouTuber that we all know. Hi guys, it's been having again. I know it's been ages, but I've been having issues, guys, with camera, the tools. But I am back now and I am better. And as you can see from the title below, I'm gonna be unboxing. Well, not technically so. I've already unboxed this. It came yesterday and I've already unboxed it in one video. But I do not like that video. I'm not feeling that video. It's not giving. So I might choose to attach it to this one or not. But there's really nothing special about that video, honestly. I mean, about the unboxing, you know, because it practically just came in a nylon and then inside this. That was it. Very unimpressive. I didn't really take it serious when I saw it, but then we're just interested in the content inside, right? So well, I've been suffering from, well, for some time now, I've been suffering from hyperpigmentation, discoloration, sunburn, white patches, to name a few. And you know, finding the specific or the most suitable and the safest skincare products to use was just hard for me. I was scared because I take my skin very seriously. If you know me, you would know that I'm big on skincare, and that's on period, and it's just therapeutic, to be honest. So I prayed to God to lead me to the most safest, very important, safest skincare routine, because the one I've been using since 2020, right? That's when skincare was like a thing, you know, became a thing rather. 2020, I was using a product back in Just. Shout out to Goldie Organics. She helped my life. My skin was pink, my skin was skinny, you know. But when I moved back to Abuja, I don't know if it was the water or if it was the weather or it was the sun. I don't just know. My skin was now like, it was unhealthy, yo. Yeah, this is one of the pictures, among plenty other pictures. This was how my skin was. And you know, I was like, what? Like, I was still spending money trying to see if I could resurrect it. Still spending money on products, but it was just not giving, you know. It was still looking I was just a shot of myself. My natural sweetness was gone. I was like, what? And my skin is very sensitive. If I'm tired, it will show. If I'm stressed, it will show. If I'm sick, it will show. If I'm hungry, it will show. Like, anything, it will show. So I was now browsing through Instagram, in fact TikTok, where have you, anywhere, looking for the most suitable skincare product. And I prayed, like I said, I prayed. If you know me, you know that I'm too minimal. Like, I don't like plenty products on my skin. Like, I just feel like it's too much, you know, like just a little things that will just work, you know. You're good to go. Honestly, my own opinion, you don't have to like put this, put that on your skin. So I was looking for like minimal stuff, you know, and then I came across this, and I'm like, oh God, please let this be the one, because I want to stay here. Like, I just don't want to keep trying, you know. My skin needs care, needs love. So I purchased this, and we're gonna know if it's good, and then I'm gonna recommend it. But let me be your scapegoat, guys. We're gonna give me 2 weeks or 1 month to see if this is gonna be giving, and then after that, y'all can go and check their store, their page. But I'm not sure I'm gonna tag them or I'm gonna mention their names yet. Let me just try it first. If it's safe, then I may be able to recommend for anybody that is interested. But this is their face cream. It's too small compared to what it is in the picture. I'm going to place it here for you to see. Everything here is just small. What I saw online was like, they look bigger than this, honestly. This is just quite small. Like, how long is this supposed to last me? I don't know. Like, how long? 1 day? Come on. See? And then the soap is the only thing that I don't have any complaint about. Forgive my English. This is night and I'm tired, but you see, this is quite okay for a soap, a face soap. I mean, it's gonna take me a while to finish this, I guess. And then that is it, guys, for just my face. And then this is their pink lips balm and scrub I'm hoping to get a pink lips, the sharp pink lips. So let's just hope it works. And then guys, I'm gonna go right and try this now. I'm gonna wash my face with this and cleanse my face with this and rub this and call it a night. So let's go. So guys, this is me with the soap. It's so foamy. I'll leave it for 2 minutes before washing and then I would be back. So this is me after washing the face, and I'm gonna quickly go ahead to use the toner to cleanse my face, and I'm gonna allow it to dry a bit. So don't forget guys to just go gently on your skin. You don't want to be harsh or anything, and you don't want to rush. As you can see, I'm really taking my time. So we go all like this, and I'm gonna forward this a little bit. Yeah, cleanser doing the most. There must still be some dirt on that cotton guys. So now I'm gonna go over with the face cream, just some few drops, like 4 drops on the face, and then you go in round circle or round motion. And then that is it guys. You just have to be gentle, very gentle. And then I put my lip gloss, my pink lip gloss, and then we call it a night guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.